guys, welcome back to Audrey and Bestie's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be on Paint app because we got a special guest. It's my friend Cameron and my friend Rainy. She's on the phone. I was supposed to go to her house today, but it got canceled. So I'm going to show you all my drawings. So first, this is 1, 2. Don't mind the random ones because I forgot to delete them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So, what should I do next, y'all? I think I'm gonna do first we need to get a random background. Then we pick. Okay. Oh, now shut up there. Yo, I'm gonna get copyright. What should I do? I'm still picking, so I hate this glitch. Okay, we found the perfect picture. It's gonna be this one, so it's gonna be imaginary. So let's do this thing. I'm gonna come back after I'm done. That actually look kind of perfect, y'all. I don't know. Y'all tell me if it looks bad or not, but it kind of looks good. Oh, oh gosh. No, I'm gonna find it again. Okay, first, then I turn the button a little bit. I guess we could do that because it kind of works. Alright, I'm gonna start coloring. Come back to y'all soon. Becky, I'm a Becky Talkie. I'm the it. Nani. Becky. Oh, yeah. Oh, I picked the wrong one. Let's get this one. Hobby, they're just trying to copy the game. I'm the shit. Happy, they're trying to copy. She's the na. If you want to go to sleep, then get the heck out of my room. This is the room that you're staying all night. Want to see what your hair is? Just take out the beads. That's your hair. And then we move. That's your hair. That was
Get out there. No. So why you say, who punched my dick?
Do not say that in my YouTube channel.
Are you paused?
Yeah, I paused.
Good. Wait, they can hear me?
They can't hear.
When you unpause.
Yeah, when I unpause, they can hear. I unpaused. Yeah, that's her ringtone. So, like, I gotta finish coloring. I just wanted to let you know. So, like, let me pause again. Okay, guys, like, this is kind of slay right now. So, like, shut up.
Who made this Poca Poca?
So, like, like a lullaby, in your mind.
What are you doing? Decorate your house and then you can move it.
Alright, guys, this is the final video. Don't bully me because, like, I don't know how to draw. So this is it. So, thank you. You guys really say bye, okay? 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Bestie out.